Have you ever taken a screenshot on your Samsung phone and you wish that you could remove the top status bar and the bottom navigation bar? Well, you're not alone. In this video, I will show you how to hide the status bar and navigation bar when taking a screenshot on Samsung phone. Before we start, just a quick question. Why would you want to hide them? Well, it's for cleaner screenshots for social media, for better visuals, for tutorials or presentations, and also for more focus on the actual content. Now let's get into it. On your Samsung phone, go to Settings, then scroll down, then go to Advanced Features. Then click on Screenshots and Screen Recordings. Now enable Hide Status and Navigation Bars. Just like that, whenever you take a screenshot, it will look much more cleaner. No icons cluttering at the top or the bottom, which is the navigation bar and the status bar. So that's it for this tutorial. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.